Welcome everyone. So this is a feature that allow you to quickly and easily export your different assets into different folders. This if you're a logo designer or a t-shirt designer, any kind of designer you are, this is a great feature that can help you. So the first most important thing is that you put a title of the folders you want to create, then you put a slash before the name of the file itself on the artboard names within your layers panel. After you do this, then you click the export persona, and export persona, and based on the type of files that I'm doing using this on a logo file, so I want to export both JPEG and PNG. So you see I've created a JPEG folder and a PNG folder. So how I'll do it is that I'll make sure that all the folders that are titled JPEG slash would be set to export to JPEG, and all the folders that titled PNG will be set to export to PNG. So easy, you can just edit one and then copy the feature, select all the other layers, and then paste to override the previous settings. So once you've done this, you just export slices, then you create a folder for them, and then once they export, you will see that all your files based on how you've titled them will be exported into different folders easily and quickly. So thank you very much for always watching my video. See you in the next one.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. We all know that digital products are selling like hotcakes now. From business cards to wedding cards and stickers, there's no limits to how much one can make selling digital templates. Did you know? You can get all our templates for $1 or 925 Nigerian naira. Visit our store, mainstack.store/DBC.